The vast majority of the habitat and ecosystems in Idaho are very unproductive. They drain soils that we call granitic. The salmon were able to bring back from the ocean large amounts of ocean nutrients and deposit them in from their carcasses once they die back into those streams. And to increase the productivity of those streams beyond what was naturally available from the runoff over the rocks and soils in those areas. And if those carcasses and that energy is gone, the ecosystem and what it can support in terms of its biology begins to change. And so what we see today when we go up and see these very beautiful meadow and mountain stream situations is, and we say, gosh, that looks great, it's beautiful, but we're only seeing part of the ecosystem that used to be there. We don't see all of the components that used to be there in the abundance that used to be there.